again to our YouTube channel, and this is Ajit. This VFX video tutorial is about UFO sighting over the city. As I have already shown in the starting of this video, that video is as a demonstration. So that scene we are going to create using Fusion Studio 9, and this software developed by the Blackmagic Design. So to making this scene, we are using 3 layers here. First is about background video, and second is about an UFO, any object, the unidentified flying object type of things on the green screen, and the third thing is about fake cloud. So all these three layers are not 3D models, they are in 2D. And the cloud is also in an image format or PNG format. Okay, so I'm going to import these all 3 layers inside Fusion software. First, I'm going to import that background because we need to track this background. Why? Because we have some movement, camera movement inside this video, because this video is recorded with handheld camera. So as I'm going to play it right now, as you can see here, there are some movement, and that movement we want to record in using some tracker node or 3D camera tracker node. Okay, so we have 2 options. We can use a 2D tracker node or 3D camera tracking node, but because always I gave you easiest way to create great scene or some good scene. So here I'm going to use only 2D camera tracker. So just I'm going to import, but before I need to fix some frames in this video. So just I want to go with 300 frames, 0 to 300 frames, and that's enough for us. And here I'm going to import a tracker node. And we have to find out contrast area where we can place our tracker point. Okay, so it's somewhere here, or I can go little zoom and I can fix it again. But one thing that I need to explain here, if we will use a sharper node in between of that background and tracker node, the video will come more sharpened and the pixel will came out for more accurate. So in this way we can track our 2D tracker. Using 2D tracker node, we can track our video accurately. Okay, so I'm going to use here sharper node. So as you can see here, now the pixels is more accurate in the video, so we will not find any difficulties to tracking this video. Okay, searching area is about this. Add another point, tracker point, make it fit and put it another place. For example, I'm going to put it here. Decrease the size and the search area size as well. And okay, I'm going to start with tracking. So hit that track forward. Okay, so tracking has been completed here, and now we are going to we are not going to remove the sharpen node, because if you will remove the sharpen node from here, maybe the tracker point can be disturbed. So what we are going to do here, you got 2 options. First, you can decrease the amount of the sharpness, or you can decrease the blend mode. So you can do anything. So if you will decrease the amount of that or sharpen, or maybe you can put here 0.0, or maybe you can decrease the blend mode, then you will get your video in original in original bay. Okay, so now we have tracked successfully our video, and now we are going to add here the second layer is about UFO. Okay, so because that, so this is our UFO video. Okay, and I'm going to play it right now. So this is something like this, and now we are going to remove this green screen or the background, the green background. Okay, so here to remove this green kind of background, we are going to add here clean plate, and select here some green ranges inside there and hit erode. If you don't know how to remove a green background through the object or from the object, sorry, or how to do in chroma key inside Fusion, then you can watch my previous videos. I have already explained in advanced bay. And grow edges, fill here. Now I'm going to add another node that is called blur, and we'll do it blur a little bit. And I'm going to add another node here, delta keyer, and disconnect from here and connect as a input, and from blur to clean plate, and boom. And go to matte option and change a little bit settings from here, restore fringe, that's enough, and go fringe, well done, and tuning about little, give little green, because we don't want to remove green exactly. So because in computer there are 3 colors is working, RGB, green, blue and red, sorry, red, green and blue, RGB. So we don't want to remove that green color completely. And pre-matte is give little soft ranges and little blur, so, and do it final. So that's great. Okay, we have removed and that green background nicely here, and now the time is to connect this oh my god, this UFO type of kind of things with our background. Okay, so before connecting to background, we have to use a node that is called transform node, so we can resize it or animate it, you know. Oh sorry, not dragger, transform node. Okay, and now this transform node we have to connect as a foreground to the tracker. Come to tracker node, and here we cannot see the output because we have to go to operation and match move. Wow. And now as you can see here, the UFO match UFO over our background. Okay, but when you will go to hit to play this video, you will find that the video movement and the UFO movement are matching together. Okay, because of the tracker node. And it is not looking great because we have to fix the size and we have to give the animations for this. So okay, that's why we have used here the transform node, so we can decrease a size from here. It's about this. And remember, we have to animate size and animate center as well. So from starting, you can put somewhere here, okay, in 0 frames in center. You have started animate an animation from center and size as well. And the last frame, I mean 300 frames, you have to put your UFO somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. That's great. And size, we don't want to increase or decrease the size, because this is the bay of horizontal, so there I don't think so, and we need to decrease or increase the size of this object. And now when we will hit to play this video, and you will find something like that. Okay, so that thing is now animated, but this is not done here. When you come to end and somewhere here, yeah, somewhere here, and as you can see, this building wall, this UFO should go behind of this building, not and foreground of this building. See, it is looking so awkward. So we don't want this scene or this type of scene here. So what we are going to do here, we are going to add a mask. So we are going to copy an original background node here and paste it here, somewhere here. Okay, so we can mask this thing. And now I'm going to use the box mask. So it is easy because the wall is like box type of a shape, so we can mask out using box. Okay, and remember, when you're going to use a box mask, sorry, you have to animate center and bit both. Okay, and if you need height as well, because when you are working on height, as you can see here, this height is increasing or decreasing, and if you are working here, then width is increasing or decreasing, and if you are working like this, then center value is increasing or decreasing. So this is the reason we are going to turn on all of three animation, all of center, width and height animation. And now I'm going to zoom a little bit. Sorry, it is too much. Not much, it's great, but not 200, about 100 is okay. So now we are going to start animation here. 200 is fine. So as you can see here, this is the final wall. Okay, I'll go 2 frames here, more, I think 1, 2, and every 2 frames you have to match with your wall or match with your second building that comes in your camera frame. Every 2 frames, okay? It is so easy. There is nothing to be so confused. Again 2 frames. Again. And okay. Okay. Now come to fit. And one more thing we are going to do here, this video and the track, final track video, we are going to merge together. Boom! And as you can see here, our UFO is now going behind of the building. Wow! And as you can see here, when we are going much inside zoom, and as you can see here the wall is too disturb and too sharp, so that is not actual scene we want here. So we are going to in the setting of the mask, and here we are making a little bit, oh, not this much, just a little bit, and giving little soft edges. So now our ball is matching. Now make it fit and play it again. Great. Great. No? Wow. To make it more realistic, this scene, I'm going to add one more thing, and that is called cloud. I have already here and two different type of cloud shapes, and they are not actually CGI or computer generated image or 3D object. They are just a PNG image. Okay, make it post by alpha, and same thing here, post by alpha. So these two clouds I actually I have downloaded through the Google. Okay, and delete the merge node, because this cloud we have to add with the tracker node. So remove this thing here and add a merge node here. Merge. So remember that the UFO should be on background, and the cloud should be on foreground. And now when you will see, this scene is something like that, but we cannot see our UFO is somewhere here, small. So first we are going to add transform node here, transform node. Okay, and now we can resize it, and as you can see here somewhere is our UFO, and we can resize this cloud, and of course we can resize as our video resolution. So width and height. Great. So our UFO is somewhere here and cloud is somewhere here, and now resize the cloud or reposition the cloud. But no, cloud should be the cloud should be foreground, and that should be in background, something like that. Wow, great. No, cloud transformation, and do here somewhere. Okay, and go to merge, go to blend mode, and here you can make your cloud little fade or blend, because here we cannot use a fade. Fade is used in After Effects, so we can use here blend kind of thing, so it can be give a little fading effect. So now we can see or transmit that our UFO through the cloud. So this is a great thing inside here. So we can decrease the blend mode here. It's nice. And now the merge to node we should connect with the tracker foreground. And now when we will see our full scene is looking something like this. And now our cloud and the UFO are moving together, something like that. So our scene is looking great, and when we will watch the final scene here, see, is better. And we can change some settings and color ranges and color gradings, and after we will get final scene. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and don't miss out for my future videos.